also like how it holds the road, very confident. Hi there everyone. Today we are driving a 2004 Mercedes ML500. I want to say a huge thank you to Hooman over at Nova Autoland in Chantilly, Virginia for providing me this car. All his information will be in the right hand corner side of the screen, so if you're interested in buying this vehicle or any other car he has on the lot, reach out to him. But let's go fire her up, do a walk around and get to the drive. That glorious V8, so beautiful. Now today's test drive is going to be broken up into basically two portions. We're going to do audible test drive where I actually give you my impressions, and then we're going to do a quiet test drive. Now this ML500 seems to be in phenomenal shape for its age. This was the direct competitor to the BMW X5, the Infiniti FX45, and the Porsche Cayenne in a way, I guess. So this was your alternative in that market. Now I've never driven this body style, so I'm super curious to see how it drives. It sure does sound great though. Now opening the door, we are greeted to this nice German solid door, leather quilted, everything is soft, and just feel these handles, they are incredible. You can see how solid everything was in these cars. Perforated leather. Also you had your, I'm guessing this is the adjustment handle or something, and there's another one here, I guess. I don't know what that is for. So any Mercedes geniuses, please tell me what this is. Let's hop in the back. So sitting in the back, it's actually pretty comfy. I like it. It feels like a well right here when you're sitting, so you kind of sink in. We got the rear climate. This is for the windows. We have our armrest here. Also third row seats, and I'm guessing these are the cup holders. So here, and this is your cigarette lighter. Really nice pockets. Again, everything is in meticulous shape here, kept up beautifully over the years. We also have our Mercedes-Benz right here, or whatever it's called, the illuminated dorsal. I don't remember what they call that thing. Decently big trunk, especially if we take out the rear seats, so lots of room to put your suitcases, especially if you fold those seats. Now let's take a look at the engine bay. So I'm guessing we just pull this and we open. Boom. Everything looks nice, clean. Not sure about the horsepower rating on this car, but we're gonna check that later. Boom, let's close it. Okay, let's check out the interior. Again, very solid door, traditional adjustments, not on the side. Again, seats, everything is in phenomenal shape. Ugh. Okay, and here we actually have a manual adjustment. Usually in these cars it's usually automatic, but specifically here it's manual. So the seating position is good, it's comfortable. I love the front seats, but check this out, it's actually a Mercedes phone. Wow, unbelievable. I'm not sure how you take it off, but we'll just leave it there. Lots of storage. We have a sunroof, lighted visor, range. This is where we see our range, SOS button. Everything is here. And I love how every button here just makes a distinct click. Click, 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 click. Love it. Let's do a wiper test. And horn test. And let's get going. All right. So setting off in the ML500. Very soft and gentle gas pedal with a good amount of feedback, so it actually lets you start off very smoothly. It doesn't lurch you right away. And the steering is surprisingly good, so it's firm, solid, informative. Lots of torque down below, plenty of torque under the pedal. Right as butter smooth. Surprisingly, the soundproofing here is also on a top-notch level. The only thing you hear is a little bit of wind because it is a windy day today. But this ride position and just the ride height really reminds me of like a Range Rover. You said high, visibility is excellent. And the handling is surprisingly informative. AC is ice cold, brakes feel good, responsive. But you can definitely tell you're in a bigger car though, so you can definitely tell that. Really good acceleration, strong, confident acceleration, good power. Can definitely hustle. I also like how it holds the road, very confident. This is really impressive for 2004, seriously. And it even holds the gear after you gun it and let off. What an impressive machine. All right, let's do a U-turn test. Really good U-turn. What an easy SUV to drive. Such a joy to drive. The V8 Melody is just music. Such a perfect sound. This ML500 could very well compete with six-cylinder sedans back from that age, like the Altima V6, Camry V6, no problem. Most likely it would do even better than them, like off the light, because it's all-wheel drive. It just goes like this. What a monster. Keep in mind, this car is 21 years old. And it's still popping low 7-second times. Just says that it's very healthy. Because a lot of the time with these older cars, if you try to do 0 to 60 on them, like, you're not going to get very good numbers. 3, 2, 1. Alrighty. Look at that. 6.93 seconds. 6.93 seconds. 0 to 62 in 7.28 seconds. And the 1/8 mile at 9.84 at 72.17. So as you can see, we have a perfectly valid result. Excellent slope, so virtually 0%. That is amazing. I think 6.9 seconds, that is just phenomenal, I think, for this car. So there we go, there we have it. This is our best time for today. Well, this summarizes our test drive. I've really loved this Mercedes. I think it drives amazing. Phenomenal shape, phenomenal condition. So if you're on the market for one, this may be the very perfect car for you. But let me know what you thought about this test drive in the comments below. Smash that like and subscribe button, and till next time.